portion of a student-athlete scholarship may be taxable, especially the amounts for room, board, and non-qualifying expenses other than tuition. And this is independent of whether they have name, image, likeness compensation. You have to really look at this for every student-athlete. But of course, it adds another level of complexity if they also have NIL income. So you want to take a close look at the split here between qualifying and non-qualifying scholarship use for your student athlete. Now, the new thing here is institutional revenue sharing payments. The 2025 settlement permits institutions to directly pay athletes a portion of the sports-related revenue. So we took in $100,000 in licensing fees for putting the logo on shirts and uniforms, and that team is going to share a portion of the $100,000. Now, the precise methodology for the reporting is not specified. I could not find any IRS guidance on it, but other than we know it's taxable, right? At some point, hopefully something will come up. Some of this will get standardized, and the larger schools will do this. All 50 states allow name, image, likeness payments. Most are even going to allow college and high school students. Almost every case, there's going to be no tax withheld. It is legitimately 1099 income. They're correctly classified. So maybe 8 different complex layers here. If you count the SE income, royalties, non-cash fair market value issues, multi-state nexus, good Lord. A lot of things here. You know, somebody in Oregon, right? You can file like 9 tax returns. If you're in the right 2 counties, you might have to file 9 separate tax returns in Oregon to pay all these new business taxes. These, depending where the stadium is, depending where they play, or depending what shopping center they go to help open, these folks may have to pay some of those taxes. And trust me, the government is watching because we know who they are. You see it in the media. That's the whole idea. We said, what can one of these folks bring you? Self-employment income, royalty income, and non-cash items, which is why you want to ask. They may not have a 1099 for the use of that car, but you saw it on TV. You saw the kid drive up in it, you know?